Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, in the last video I did the Fire Dazzle challenge for the dream catchers. I will link it up above here if you want to go check it out. So I liked getting back involved in the Instagram challenges, so I thought I was going to do my nails again today. I know I don't usually post on a Saturday, but I said, sure, I'll just do a quick video while I'm at it. So the next challenge for the Fire Dazzle challenge is pastels. So I have these lovely pastel Sharpie colours. So I thought I'd do that Sharpie water marble nail where you put it on your nail with some isopro alcohol. So I have some isopro here as well. So I don't know if I'll use all the colours. I still have the white gel polish on my nails from that last manicure that I linked up there. So that is my base today, white gel polish. The gel polish is the manicure company in True White, and then it has a top coat of OPI gel color top coat, and that is just a clear and obviously curing in between each layer. So there's also another challenge of mythicals, and I will link that as well. I'll put a picture up here. And for the month of April, there's only one of these challenges a month, and it is mermaids. So I have two plates that I would like to use. I have this mermaid scale plate here, and this is a Kui 028 plate. I don't even know where I got my hands on it, but there are loads of plates that have the mermaid scales. Now I also have a bundle monster plate here, and it also has the scales, but I just wanted to use the bigger scales this time, and I will be using these little silhouette mermaids as well on one or two of the nails. And this is the bmxl 211 for stamping. I'll be using Hit the Bottle in the black, is called As Black as Night. I'll also be using a dark grey for the scales. I just don't want everything black all the time. So sit back and just watch, and I will just take you through the nails. So I'm just applying the Sharpie marker randomly all over the nail, and then with a old brush I am dipping it into the isopro alcohol and dipping it across the nail. And the more you put on, the more sparse the Sharpie marker goes, and if you actually dot it on, it just bleeds it out, and it's a lovely water marble effect. So there we go, I have gone ahead and I've done it on both colours, and we have a lovely pastel marble, and I just think that's really delicate and pretty. I am liking the one with the more blues in it, and you can keep going over and you can add more colour as much as you need it, but I just think we are done here now. So we'll get on to the stamping. that didn't pick up at all. Now, I actually have never used this stamping plate, and it was a really cheap one. It was back when I was starting out buying stamping plates and when I wasn't spending much money on them. So let's try again. Now, it could be the polish because we are not using a stamping polish. We are using a regular polish. So I might go in with a different colour and a stamping polish. Now, it is just not picking up, unfortunately. I may actually just try the Bundle Monster one with the grey, just to see if the better plate has better quality on the pickup with this grey polish. Unfortunately, I don't have a grey stamping polish, and I really wanted to use the grey today, so let's just try it. Yeah, that worked fine. So obviously that plate was just not on. So let's go in with the grey. And we will go and we will do that on every one of the nails. So I go ahead and I will repeat that on the other hand, and we will come in cleaned up and top coated, and you can let me know what you think. So here we go, guys. These are the final nails. I hope you like them. I think they're really pretty, something different. I will of course link the 2 challenges and the Bundle Monster nail plate. I won't link the other nail plate below because it didn't work. If you like these, guys, please give us a thumbs up, and please click that subscribe button and the bell. I'm really trying to grow the channel. It is growing, but just far too slowly. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.